Hi guys. So self-monitoring. I want to show you some examples of what I do when I'm self-monitoring. Usually, if I get to the end of the page, I kind of ask myself, what's it all about before I turn the page? And if I don't understand it, I go back and read it again. I get easily distracted when I read, and I need to do this a lot. So for this assignment, I decided to write a poem, kind of a silly one, and put it to music to turn it into a song. You can do it the same way, or you can just make a video talking like I am, make a poster and explain it. Whatever you really want to do to show your teacher and help teach other kids of how you self monitor. Okay, here goes nothing. When you're reading words and they don't make much sense, what are you going to do? When you see something that isn't clear, what are you going to do? Read it again. Sometimes words are hard, and sometimes I get distracted. What are you going to do? Self monitor, self monitor, self monitor. Ask questions while you read. Think about the characters and the setting too. All right, that's my poem.